So for facilitating daily scrums on our teams, we use Standuply to, it's a stand-up bot. We use it to automate daily stand-ups or daily scrums. So instead of requiring everybody to meet at the same time, you can collect status updates asynchronously and prompt team members with customizable questions. And then we also use PulsePoint AI to provide automated insights into coding activity and project progress. And so this tool analyzes the actual source code repository activity, all the commits and pull requests, and generates daily reports that are then forwarded to all the team and whoever else cares. And so for Scrum Masters, these reports are especially valuable because not only can they track their own team's progress, but they can also view reports from other teams. And that kind of cross-team visibility is really useful for managing dependencies between teams and avoiding bottlenecks. Now, for facilitating sprint retrospectives, Parable and Retrium can help simplify the process by automating meeting facilitation. These are not AI tools. These are just useful software tools that I recommend looking into. And so they help you, this automation helps you reduce a lot of the manual effort that Scrum Masters typically invest in organizing and running retrospectives. Now, one of the really powerful things of using tools like this is that you can export that feedback from these tools and the summaries from Parable and Retrium, and then you can process them with ChatGPT. And so then you can ChatGPT and refine vague feedback or highlight recurring patterns across multiple retrospectives and turn general suggestions into clearer, more actionable steps. And it can also generate polished summaries tailored for leadership or cross-team sharing and improve visibility without extra manual effort. So by combining these tools, Scrum Masters can not only streamline retrospectives, but also gain deeper insights into team dynamics and help them shift focus from facilitation to driving broader strategic impact across the organization. In regard to facilitating other Scrum ceremonies, Cascade is a modern workflow management tool, and it's got AI at its core. And so it'll help you automate task creation or prioritize backlog items and task progress based off of sprint goals. It can even generate summaries of your planning sessions and suggest backlog adjustments, cutting down on manual prep work you often face as a Scrum Master. And we also use Sonix extensively for automated transcription. So it's an audio transcription tool. It's been a game changer for capturing key discussions during meetings. It provides fast, accurate transcriptions in over 40 languages. And it does an excellent job of identifying individual speakers. That's a real strength. And that makes it easy to maintain a clear, structured record of who said what. And that's really helpful when you're using ChatGPT to reflect on team discussions and decisions and follow-ups. And so when you combine Sonix with ChatGPT, since Sonix identifies each speaker, ChatGPT can help you break down a sprint review or retrospective transcript by summarizing key points from each person. And you can pinpoint blockers raised by certain team members, track who suggested key ideas, and generate summaries that clarify both team consensus and individual contributions. And so ChatGPT can use these sonic transcripts to analyze multiple transcripts over time, revealing recurring blockers or patterns and feedback, helping you to identify areas for continuous improvement with more precision. And of course, as you build up a large amount of these transcripts, you might want to use something that has a bigger context window than ChatGPT. Okay, now for agile coaching, professional development, and domain knowledge growth, again, using custom GPTs can be a powerful tool. Take all the transcripts from YouTube talks or podcasts or workshops that you like and put it all together. And then you can access that information in a conversational way. Now for Scrum Masters. GPT-4 Turbo, it's a reasonable choice for your everyday tasks like sprint reporting, retrospective summaries, and drafting process documents. So as an example, you can use it to help summarize a sprint review by listing completed work, open tasks, and blockers in a clear format for the team and stakeholders. But it will require adjustments to ensure that the summary captures the team discussions and context accurately. Again, don't copy paste, guide it, validate it, iterate with it. Claude 3 Opus would be a better suited for your more complex tasks. Like if you're doing safe and you want to do safe PI planning or manage cross-team dependencies, look into Claude 3 Opus. So let's imagine you're facilitating a PI planning session with multiple teams working on related features. Claude 3 Opus can help map out how one team's deliverable impacts another, such as ensuring that an API is ready before a front-end feature is built. But it still needs the Scrum Master's judgment to finalize the timeline and assess the team capacity. Gemini 1.5 Pro could help you in managing large-scale dependencies and reporting across multiple teams. For example, if you're coordinating multiple Scrum teams in a large product release, Gemini 1.5 Pro could help generate a visual overview showing which teams are working on what. It could highlight blockers across the program and assist with preparing executive level reports on overall progress and risk areas. So the right model, again, depends on the task. GPT-4 Turbo works well for your everyday reporting stuff, while the Claude 3 Opus and Gemini 1.5 Pro would be better for your strategic planning and managing complex multi-team coordination.